Hey Math 1 students, helping you guys out with problems 5, 6, 7, 8 for the Power Standard 7.2 correctives for Module 2, Topic 2. So for 5a, we have a number is less than 13. That word 2 shouldn't be there. So we have a number is less than 13 or greater than 20. So a number is less than 13, so I'm going to write x to represent that number. So we have x is less than 13 or x is greater than 20. So we had to write a compound inequality that represents its possible values, so we just did that. And then we have to graph this. So all I did was I took the situation they gave us, wrote it as a inequality, compound inequality, because there's 2. And now I'm going to graph the solutions. So we have the numbers 13 through 20. Put 13 on my left side, put 20 on the right side. I can even fill in the dashes in between. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Not evenly spaced out, but that's okay. Now we have x is less than 13, so I'm going to graph that. So that's an open circle at 13, and less than means going to the left. These are all the numbers that are less than 13. And for the other one, we have x is greater than 20. So open circle at 20, going to the right. So here we have graphed the solutions of all the numbers that are either less than 13 or greater than 20. Jumping down to number 6. Number 6, we are asked to graph x is greater than or equal to 10 or x is less than or equal to -5. So very similar to this, we want to first put both of our numbers on the number line. So we have -5 and +10. I know -5 is the smaller of the numbers, so I'll put that on the left side. So I get -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can put 10 over here. Depending on your teacher, you may not have to put all those tick marks. Maybe you can just put -5 and 10. But regardless, you should put the smaller number on the left side, the bigger number on the right side. So now we are asked to graph these inequalities. So first, x is greater than or equal to 10. So at 10, I can have a shaded circle because it said equal to. And then greater than is going to the right. While the other one, x is less than or equal to -5, we have a shaded circle again. At -5, we have a less than symbol, so going to the left. And we have just graphed those solutions. All right, moving over to number 7, 7a. This is what I like to call the sandwich inequality. So the sandwich inequality, usually these sandwiches will just have the solution in between the two numbers. So in this case, we have -13 and +15. So I'm not going to put all the tick marks in between because that's going to be a lot. So I'll just leave it like that. And what I know is that this sandwich inequality is actually 2 different ones. So I'm going to take this, and here's one inequality. And we have this other one. So we're going to graph both of these. So let's graph the first one. -13 is less than or equal to x. Remember when graphing, it's best that we have the variable first. So actually I'm going to rewrite this and make sure I flip my sign, and then I will graph this. X is greater than or equal to -13. So at -13, we will have a shaded circle, and it'll be going to the right. Now, I'm not going to finish it just in case it actually ends up meeting with the other one, but that's that guy. So we just graphed this one. Now we're going to graph x is less than or equal to 15. So at 15, we have a shaded circle because of the equal sign, and less than means going to the left. So it actually does end up meeting, and we have what I like to call the sandwich inequality, where the solutions are in between those two numbers.